8766. Which of the following is necessary to effectively troubleshoot a fuel pressure warning system? A. The manufacturer's maintenance manuals. B. AC 43.13 to 1B. Acceptable methods, techniques, and practices aircraft inspection and repair. C. A set of federal aviation regulations. The correct answer is A. These manuals provide detailed information about the fuel pressure warning system and its components, including specifications, testing procedures, and troubleshooting guides. They are essential for any maintenance or troubleshooting activities on the system. 8767. Which of the following would be most useful to locate and troubleshoot an internal fuel leak in an aircraft fuel system? A. Structural repair manual. B. Orthographic projection troubleshooting tree. C. Maintenance manual diagrams and descriptions. The correct answer is C. The maintenance manual typically includes detailed diagrams of the fuel system and its components, as well as descriptions of how to troubleshoot and repair common issues. These resources can help identify the location of a fuel leak and provide guidance on how to fix it. The structural repair manual may also be useful in identifying access points and disassembly procedures for components of the fuel system. 8768. In some aircraft with several fuel tanks, the possible danger of allowing the fuel supply in one tank to become exhausted before the selector valve is switched to another tank is prevented by the installation of A. A fuel pressure warning signal system. B. A fuel pressure relief valve. C. An engine fuel pump bypass valve. The correct answer is A. This system provides a warning to the pilot when the fuel pressure drops to a certain level, indicating that the fuel supply in one tank is running low and needs to be switched to another tank to prevent the fuel supply from being exhausted. 8769. The function of a fuel heater is to A. Protect the engine fuel system from ice formation. B. Protect the fuel from freezing. C. Heat the fuel to combustion temperature. The correct answer is A. A fuel heater is an essential component of the engine fuel system, serving to prevent ice formation and protect the engine from potential damage. It maintains the fuel temperature above freezing, preventing ice crystals from obstructing fuel flow and causing disruptions in engine operation. Additionally, the fuel heater can be used to thaw any ice that has formed on the fuel screen or other fuel system components, ensuring uninterrupted fuel flow and optimal engine performance. By safeguarding against ice-related issues, the fuel heater helps maintain the reliability and functionality of the engine in cold weather conditions. 8770. 1. Gas turbine engine fuel systems are very susceptible to the formation of ice in the fuel filters. 2. A fuel heater operates as a heat exchanger to warm the fuel. Regarding the above statements, A. Only 1 is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Both 1 and number 2 are true. The correct answer is C. Gas turbine engine fuel systems are susceptible to ice formation due to the high altitude, low temperature environment in which they operate. A fuel heater can be installed to warm the fuel and prevent ice formation in the fuel filters. The fuel heater works as a heat exchanger, transferring heat from the engine's lubrication oil to the fuel.